Hello everyone, I'm Carius, and it's been a long time since I've done a video. Been a lot going on. I mean, since my last video I got married, I got 3 cats, I've been on and off a dozen different medications, and of course 2020 happened. No one's that thrilled about, but I finally feel like I'm in a decent enough place to try to do videos again. So I figured I'd start with something simple. Here is a Nerf rival knockout with a large portion of it missing, and a rocket post added in place of the original barrel. Now it's got brass in it, so you can shoot darts at like 100 to 130 FPS, but what it's really for is shooting rockets. I had originally planned to add kind of like a shroud around the rocket, like repurpose a modulus tri-strike stock, but once I got it to this point, I decided I just liked the look of this goofy rocket on the end of a pistol, and I want to keep it like that. So that's pretty much all there is to say about it. It's got the stock spring in it, which is surprising because this actually shoots the rocket a fair distance. So standing at one side of my 50-foot basement, about 40 feet away from the target, and hitting the floor in front of it about 30 feet away, which is kind of crazy for just the stock spring shooting rockets off of a peg ripped out of a modulus stock. That one kind of soared and almost hit the target if it would have gone straight. Woo! Rocket pistol. It doesn't shoot as far as like a big blast or something does, obviously, but if you need to hit something with a rocket close up, like your club has shield rules, or you gotta bust a special zombie, or you're playing defend the core, I think this is gonna do a pretty good job. Hey, that one made it to the target. Try one more. And that one made it all the way to the back. And of course, since I just threw some 17/32 brass in there, you can just load darts. Well, that one went above the target. Okay, let's put some shots through the chronograph. Let's start with some darts. Now this is just the stock knockout spring. I haven't even put a spacer in it or anything. It's 100 FPS. 98. 106. It's pretty good. Let's try some half darts. Let's shoot some Adventure Force darts through it. .136. 129. So it looks like 130s, which is pretty good. I imagine if you put a better spring in here and an actually appropriately long barrel, you can get darts to fly pretty good. Well, that's not what this is for. It's for shooting rockets. See if the chronograph will pick these up. 42. 41. 35. and 40, so pretty consistent. What if I try to shotgun some half darts? I can easily fit 2 in here. 99 with 2 darts. That's pretty good. Well, that's pretty much it. Just a simple video to kind of get things rolling again. I got tons of projects to show off. I haven't actually stopped modding Nerf this past year or so. I just haven't really had the time or energy or mental capacity to make videos. So hopefully I'm back for good and you'll start seeing some stuff regularly from me, and we'll see. I'll probably be throwing out a few more short videos like this, just showing off some stuff I've been working on and stuff that I've put together in the past year or so. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully sooner than over a year. And this has been Carius reminding you to have fun. Secret bonus mod. So, in addition to the rocket pistol, I took another knockout and put a sledge fire shell in the front of it. And it's my shotgun pistol. Chronograph test for the shotgun. Got some elites loaded in there. 81 FPS, that's pretty good. Pretty sure that's better than a stock sledge fire. And this is a stock knockout spring. Same as the rocket shooter. So, if you were to upgrade the knockout spring, maybe do a little bit more to it, you could get some serious performance with a mod like this. As a ton of people have done, just singling them and putting a brass breech on it. But you know me, if I can shoot more than one dart at once, I'm going to. What about 6 half darts? Wow, that was pretty fun. The problem with doing half darts in a sledge fire shell like this, though, is the front of the sledge fire shell is super loose. So you'll end up with 3 darts that are securely in the back of the sledge fire shell, and then 3 darts that'll fall right out.